12 master closet organization ideas. You've chosen your master bedroom's main furniture. You even made sure all the little accents and details were carefully picked out. But can you really say you're done decorating your room without organizing your closet space? Not being able to clearly and effectively plan organization and storage can quickly turn your beautiful space into a cluttered disaster zone. Just think of the chair. Yes, we mean that chair, with all your not so clean but not so dirty clothes. Here's some brilliant closet organization ideas that'll help you maximize your storage space. To minimize your error, follow the simphome.com link dedicated for you in the description area. Number 12. Simple and stylish. While setting up your master closet, remember that foundation is key. The secret to a beautiful closet space is to invest in simple yet timeless pieces. A floor-to-ceiling closet gives an instant sophisticated and elegant touch to a space. A simple way to make a stylish statement is to simply organize your open shelves. This luxurious closet cleverly maximizes function and decor by featuring open shelves to showcase the homeowner's collection of shoes and purses. Grouping items by type and color doesn't only look beautiful, it's also more efficient. Double hanging rods display all the clothes out in the open without appearing too cluttered. There is also a clever addition of shelves to maximize storage space. For example, hat boxes were used to store knickknacks for a clutter-free shelf. Number 11. Reimagine and elevate. To take your master closet to a new level, you need to start thinking big. Elevate your master suite by reimagining your closet, not as a standard storage space, but as a whole new functional room. Invest in a functional statement piece, like a vintage vanity, to instantly create a seamless extension of your bedroom. Start planning your closet as a dressing room. Consider open shelving to artfully display your clothes, shoes, and bags. Incorporate different storage types, such as box-type closets, and a variety of short and long hanging items. The thoughtful organization of your items is what elevates your closet into a sophisticated space. Number 10. Classic and practical. If you're planning to reorganize your closet space, the first thing you have to do is plan and commit to it. Getting started might not seem too complicated. With the abundance of all your clothes and accessories, you might just find yourself stumped and unable to envision something other than where you should store your shoes. Evaluate carefully how you will use the space, thinking carefully of all the items in your possession. If possible, get rid of all the clutter. This will allow you to maximize your closet space for all your useful and necessary items. Next, envision how you want to use the space that will allow you to move efficiently each day. Have a lot of shoes? Place them in open shelving for easier access. This luxurious DIY closet made full use of their shoe collection by organizing in compartments and displaying on open shelving. The combination of wood paneling, metallic features, and a patterned area rug make this DIY closet look expensive and luxurious. Number 9. Better off apart. Taking your organization skills up a notch isn't about making drastic changes. It's the subtle and minute details that ultimately make your everyday life more convenient and efficient. It's important that you have an organizational system and that you stick to it. Having a separate area for each item will ensure that your closet is tidy and functional. Constantly editing your closet to avoid clutter is just as important. Adding dividers is a simple way to add structure and sophistication. These clear acrylic shelf dividers are unassuming, but they can be the solution to keeping your closet from chaos. These particular dividers are about 9 inches tall and 12 inches long, perfect to keep the shelves tidy and separate. Number 8. Keep it natural. If your closet has a lot of open shelving, adding storage boxes will keep everything separate, tidy, and clutter-free. To give the space a warm and open feel, choose containers made of natural material in neutral tones, such as woven baskets. These large boxes give texture and dimension to your space and make for convenient compartments to organize all your items. Number 7. Intentional and functional. Once you've carefully downsized all your items, you can start planning how to organize your space. The best way to organize your closet is by categorizing all your clothes, shoes, bags, and accessories by occasion and color. This method will not only effectively serve as decor, but it is incredibly functional as well. Keep the items that you only use on special occasions on a high shelf. In contrast, everyday objects should be situated within arm's reach. Think of your accessories as functional decor. Instantly elevate your space by artfully placing them around the room. Number 6. Maximize blind spots. Having a small closet space doesn't mean that you should sacrifice having a tidy and beautiful closet. All you have to do is think outside the box, literally and figuratively. Be imaginative. Make use of all available space in corners as extra storage space. This sliding door, cleverly turned into open shelving, is a perfect example of ingenuity. Number 5. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? To instantly elevate your master closet, consider mounting a huge mirror. Not only does this transform your room into a brighter and more luxurious space, but a mirror is also functional decor. Look good from any angle by installing a floor-to-ceiling 3-paneled mirror. Number 4. Luxurious and inviting. Most of our mornings are spent picking out the perfect outfit. Choose to start your day by turning your closet space into a comfortable and relaxing environment. What better way to make a space feel inviting than adding a luxurious seating area? This is the perfect functional decor to add personality and character to your room. Go with a bold and cozy armchair paired with a stylish stool to add an effortlessly elegant touch to your closet space. This DIY footstool is the perfect boho chic addition to a cozy corner space. Recreate this piece at home with just a few materials. Simply drill a hole through the metal stool and pre-cut a piece of plywood. With some glue, stick on the foam and your choice of fabric to the plywood. Finally, bolt in the plywood to the metal chair, and you have a personalized footstool. Number 3. Make each inch count. Don't settle with the built-in shelves and storage space. Every available square inch, that includes vertical and horizontal space, should be used to maximize your storage space. Consider building a floor-to-ceiling closet or install additional top shelves. For hard-to-reach storage spots, add in a custom rolling ladder to make access a whole lot easier. Number 2. Choose to be resourceful. Often the best solution requires a personalized touch. Elevate your room by personally customizing your room with DIY projects. Going DIY doesn't have to be complicated. You'll definitely save a few bucks by using some unconventional materials. You can easily make unique and one-of-a-kind pieces by upcycling vintage items. This DIY pegboard is a clever way to customize and update your storage. Hang up clothes, bags, and accessories using peg hooks. Add some life to your DIY projects by hanging up photos or wired baskets with trinkets or potted plants. Before we dive into number 1 on our list, I have to tell you that your subscription and support influence this channel's growth and quality, so we'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button under the video. But more about that later. It's time to finish our top 12 list ideas with... Lastly, number 1. Give each item a home. A clear system of where everything goes is definitely the most important step to get you started. Having separate compartments is the key to a well-organized closet. Designate a specific area for each piece of item you own. This is a convenient and time-saving solution to your everyday routine. Conclusion: improving your master closet doesn't have to be expensive and difficult. You should first evaluate how to maximize your available space and incorporate this with your daily routine. Organize your space thoughtfully, according to function, occasion, and color. This will create a space that allows you to seamlessly integrate with your routine. Invest in pieces that will elevate your closet into a functional and inviting space, like a vintage vanity or a comfy sofa. Maximize what you already own. Your clothes and accessories are decors in themselves. And train yourself to find blind spots to maximize your closet. The key is to ultimately let your creativity and resourcefulness shine. That's it for now. For more compilations like this, press the like button under the video or comment on it if you think YouTube deserves to host another list video like this. Feel free to share the video link with anyone close to you inside your social media circle. And until we meet again, thanks for watching and have a good day. See you soon!